Welcome back to Sudden Urge Kitchen by Enfoodiastically. Ever get a craving for stir fry, but the last thing you want to do is stand over a hot stove? Well, today we're letting the air fryer do the work. This recipe is easy, loaded with fresh vegetables, juicy chicken, and a simple homemade sauce that comes together in just a few minutes. Let's get cooking. I'm starting with 3 boneless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. I like using thighs because they stay juicy in the air fryer. Next up are some baby Bella mushrooms. I cut them into pieces about the same size as the chicken so everything cooks evenly. We're also using 1 medium zucchini that gets chopped into nice bite-sized chunks. It'll go in later so it stays tender instead of turning mushy. For the asparagus, I'm separating the tender tips from the thicker stalks. The stalks need a little more cooking time, so we'll add everything in stages. I also took this opportunity to chop up some green onions to use as a garnish. If you enjoy recipes that are easy, affordable, and full of flavor, I'd love to have you here. Be sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And here I'm giving the chicken and mushrooms a light coating of oil before they head into the air fryer. Now let's make the sauce. Into 1 cup of chicken bouillon goes 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about a half a teaspoon of garlic paste, a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 3 teaspoons of brown sugar. I actually tasted it after adding 2 and decided it needed 1 more, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Give everything a good whisk until it's smooth. The chicken and mushrooms go into a 400-degree air fryer for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, give everything a good stir and add the thicker asparagus pieces. 3 minutes later, in go the asparagus tips and the zucchini. I gave them a quick spray of oil first to help them roast beautifully. After another 4 minutes, everything is cooked perfectly. The chicken is juicy, the mushrooms are browned, and the vegetables still have a little bite. During the last few minutes of cook time, I did add my sauce to the microwave in 30-second increments until it was hot and ready to go. Now for my favorite part. Start with hot rice, pile on the stir fry, and finish with the glossy homemade sauce. You can add cashews as well as green onions to finish it off, but the sauce really brings everything together. And that's it, an easy air fryer stir fry that's perfect for busy weeknights and tastes like takeout without all the extra work. Thanks for hanging out in the kitchen with me today. Until next time, when the craving hits, we make it happen.